the new AirTags 4-pack and AirTag accessories in different colors. Today I'm unboxing them and sharing my initial impressions. Then I'll post a review after actually using it more, so you get a better impression of how AirTag life is really like. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's do it. AirTag 4-pack. It's $99 at Apple, or $29 per individual AirTag. Finally, a tracker that works seamlessly with iPhone. You can attach it to anything that you want, so you know exactly where it is. I enjoy peeling it every time because of the satisfying sound it makes. Wait for it. Whoa. It uses the Find My app on your phone. So once you download that, turn on Bluetooth and update your software to iOS 14.5 or later. One thing that challenges the competition is the easy two-step pairing. 1. Start by holding the AirTag against your phone. 2. Name your AirTags. Then you're all set. It automatically gets registered to your Apple ID so no one else can use it. You'll immediately see it on the map, along with clear instructions on different ways to find it. It's all in the Find My app. You'll see all of the AirTags you've named by tapping items. One way I already know I'll use it a lot is playing a sound to locate it. AirTag knows how far you are, so it adjusts volume to your distance, like it gets louder if you're too far. When you're close enough, it tells you how many feet you are from your item. If you're even closer, an arrow pops up and tells you which direction to go. It seems to get more and more precise as you get closer. Want to find it faster? During your search, you can turn on the flashlight and play a sound. Wow. I don't think it's thin enough to be in a wallet without adding bulk, compared to competitors like Tile, who has a thin wallet size and Apple doesn't. Even the regular size here does the job for my wallet. You just push, twist, and slowly open it. There it is. So that's CR2032. See that when it senses the battery's on there? Like if I push here, it makes that noise. So just align these teeth here with those openings there. Push, twist back on. Really easy. No screws needed or anything. I like that. I'm really gonna have fun making the full review for this. The Belkin Secure Holder with Key Ring. It's $12.95 and it's available in black, white, blue, and pink. Today we're unboxing white. Let's see what happens when we follow directions. Insert the AirTag, sandwich them all together, and then twist. Attaching the keyring was easy. There it is. Now I wish I put an engraving on this. Part of the AirTag's stainless steel, so it'll naturally pick up fingerprints. Detaching it took a little more effort, but once you twist it open, it pops right out. Here it is just attaching it to a central keyring, compared to attaching the keys to its own keyring. I say that looks a bit cleaner. This one's definitely a keeper because I like it minimal, less bulk, and the low price is a bonus. The Belkin Secure Holder with strap. This one's similar, but the way you attach it to things is different. It's also $12.95 and is available in the same 4 colors. Directions included for us newbies. Definitely not like Apple's packaging, which you'll see soon, but it's a low price and it attaches to a lot of things easily. Let's get another AirTag. There it is. Just like before, it all snaps together. Then twist to lock. Insert the end loop and put the other side through. There. I got black because it matches everything and it blends in with my black backpack. Just find a spot to put it through where you don't mind it dangling. Put it through itself and then pull. Maybe hide it in a pocket for a cleaner look. We'll see. Apple's Leather Key Ring. It's $35 and we're unboxing Baltic Blue and Saddle Brown. You definitely get what you pay for. I think it's a much nicer design than Belkin's key ring. The ring's definitely bigger and has a nice, flat, elegant shape. If I weren't so sporty these days, I'd go with this. The AirTag's much easier to insert compared to Belkin. I just hope the button doesn't scratch the stainless steel. It is a very secure button. It makes your set of keys look good, like a nice keychain should. Just keep in mind it adds bulk. Because of its shape, if you attach the keys to the keyring, it's not really aligned with the other keys. Here it is in Saddle Brown. The same simple Apple packaging and instructions in the back. It looks great. Genuine leather that will age nicely over time as it patinas. Again, regretting not engraving something on the back. Here it is hanging from a central ring. It'll go perfectly with your Saddle Brown watch band and iPhone case. When Apple makes a leather accessory, you know they'll make it in Saddle Brown. The white AirTag Loop in polyurethane. It's $6 less at $29. Also in 4 colors. Also comes in leather, which you'll see after. Okay. Just like it looks, it's easy to attach to things. Insert the AirTag the same way. I really like how clean this looks. Over. You easily just put the loop over so it can go through itself. Apple's signature touch. I think it's more meant for things with handles, like bags, especially luggage, and not for small loops like this. Doesn't really fit and doesn't look good either. Maybe if I got the black one it would blend in, but still. That looks better. $10 more gets you the leather AirTag Loop. Still just as bendy as the polyurethane version, but in a fine grain leather. Nice enough to go on a designer bag. What do you guys think? I mean, look at this. Seriously, anything I put it on makes it look good. I think I'm getting used to this now. I really like this. I don't know how this is gonna be like, but knowing the leather, it does crease and wear, so it'll be interesting to see how this ages. I'm seriously gonna try it on. Nope, not gonna fit. I can tell that this is gonna darken over time. If I had a leather backpack, it would look so good. Or Louis Vuitton luggage. I don't know about making a keychain, it looks like it doesn't fit. I don't think it's made for that. Here's some ideas. Trackers make a great gift. People lose things all the time. This, for some reason, is important to me. I'm always leaving my water bottle everywhere, like the gym and around the house. I'll never lose my work badge again. Where's my mask? That's pretty much it. Maybe in a couple weeks, I'll post how it's actually working in real life. Next up are new watch bands and cases from Apple, as well as third-party solutions that I love. Give this a like if it helped, and subscribe for more. Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.